Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. If today is the first time on my channel, you are definitely welcome, and if today isn't your first time, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I know that a lot of you have been waiting on the review of the Panasonic TZ58, and I am here with it today. I really just wanted to try out the camera a couple of times so that I don't just come here and blab. I wanted to come to you guys with facts, and now I have my facts. So I'm going to be telling you guys some of the things that I like about the camera and also some of the things that I do not like about the camera. So if you're interested in this video, then definitely keep watching. The first thing I want you guys to know is that I've used the camera at least twice, and I can tell you for free some of the things that I have noticed with it. So if it's something you want to get, then that's fine, and if it's something you do not want to get, that's also fine. The first thing I noticed with the camera is the fact that it has 180-degree flip screen, and it's really perfect for vlogging and the rest of it. So you can turn the flip side and just look at yourself while you record, but you have to be really careful not to look at the screen but into the lens, because that's really one thing that a lot of us get wrong. Another thing with the camera is the zoom, guys. This camera can zoom fire. Like, it can zoom the hair that's inside your nostrils. Like, guys, the zooming ability is just mad. You know how, like, you're going on a journey and then you find something you want to actually capture and you want a very close range, you can actually zoom. Like, it's really good. I mean, the zooming ability is mwah. Another beautiful thing about the camera is the amazing picture quality, and I'm not even saying it to make you guys feel like, oh, she just wants us to get it. The picture quality is mad. I saw that there were a lot of reviews for the Panasonic TZ57, and there was really nothing on the Panasonic TZ58, which is the one that I got, and I feel like I have to tell you guys the truth so that if you want to invest your money in it, then that's fine. The picture quality is really nice. It's really clear. I made a video with it. I'm still about to edit it because it was quite a long video. It was actually a haul. I hope I put it up, but it was really clear, and I kept on watching it and rewatching it again, and it was just really amazing, guys. Another thing I love about the camera is that it's really perfect for vlogging. So if you're a vlogger, if you're the Dina Ekweme kind of vlogger, who goes from one place to the other and makes really amazing content, then you should definitely invest your money in a camera like this one or any other vlogging camera, because, guys, it is really nice. It's really handy, so that you don't go and put your camera in the faces of people and then they just mistake you for a journalist. And you know how people perceive journalists. Like, a lot of people do not like journalists, so that they don't just start beating you up thinking that you're one of those annoying journalists and everything. So it's really handy. It's something you can just slide into your little bag or into your purse, and then you're good to go. And I must say this, guys, it is easy to understand the features. I am an olodo when it comes to cameras and how to use them, but this one's features are actually really easy to learn. They have it written on there, and I just kept on pressing and pressing till I figured out what it was. And yes, I can actually use the camera, well, not 100%, but I'm getting there, and of course I know I'm going to get perfect at it if I keep practicing more. Another cool thing about the camera is the Wi-Fi connectivity, guys. The fact that I can connect the camera to my Wi-Fi is just amazing. Like, it's really easy to transfer things, it's just really easy to connect it, no stress. It's just that easy, and I love it. Okay, now moving on to some of the things that I do not like about the camera. The first thing is the audio, guys. I feel like they should have done more with the audio, because it's really not audible. It sounds really fuzzy. It sounds like, okay, maybe not that bad, but I just do not like the sound of the audio. It was clear, but it wasn't crystal clear. I don't know how to explain it. It wasn't crystal clear, and I wish that it was, because it has like this amazing picture quality, video quality, and then the audio is like so, but it's nothing that cannot be fixed with an external mic. So if you still want to invest in the camera, you can get an external mic that you could pin on your clothes, and instead of using the audio of the camera, you can use the audio off of the mic, and that's another way to handle it. Now, another thing that I found really annoying about the camera is the fact that it does not have an autofocus. So it means that you can go out of focus when shooting your videos, and it is really annoying. So I realized that with the video that I shot with the camera, the first video that I shot with the camera, I realized that I was out of focus a couple of times, and I was just like, oh my god, do I have to reshoot this video? And I told myself, Becca, no, you do not have to reshoot it. So maybe that video is never going to go up, but you know, that's another thing. So you might want to pause for a little bit, you know, get into focus before you continue. But like I said before, the camera is perfect for vlogging because you're on the move, you don't have to go in and out of focus, you know. I mean, it's just the perfect camera for vlogging. So let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have other questions about the camera. Leave them in the comment section and I'll be really glad to answer your questions. And guys, I'm having a very serious issue with my editing software, which is why some of my videos are not even up. You know, there's some videos that I have on my system, but editing is a problem because my editing software is messed up. I'm trying to get all of that fixed and, you know, then post those videos. But until then, you guys should please bear with me. I am what, an amateur when it comes to editing, when it comes to all of this software and things, and I'm just trying to figure out how to handle all of that. So yeah, let me know what editing software you guys use. Tell me the easiest ones, because I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro and it's a lot of work. I still do not have, you know, a complete idea of how to use that app. So let me know the simpler ones. If there are anyone that you think that I can use easily and that I can get, you know, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.